My battery's half dead already. We just started the day. What?
This guy, like, or girl, whatever it was like so close to my car when he was going there.
Everybody is rushing around.
For no reason.
Absolutely no reason, because there's like not even a lot of...
It's not even a holiday.
Happy Wednesday. Ashley's off and made it to the video. Sorry about my voice. Don't know if I'm just overtired or whether there's a cold coming, so we shall see. It's more croaky and deep than usual. So where are we going, Ash?
Target.
What are we going for?
Alfredo.
It's the only place that sells the huge Alfredos for a decent price. We'll see when we get there.
Bye.
We're shopping. This is what we come for. Smaller all of a sudden. And this is the other thing we come for. Where'd it go? Oh, right there. Cheese. I didn't know if you needed another one of these for hot chocolate.
No, it's fine.
Oh, I just got one.
No, it's fine.
Okay. There's a nice big Nordstrom. Nordstrom? It's very grey out today. Just checking some messages.
There's my old car.
Just got back from Target. Oh, the old car that you liked.
Yeah.
There you go. I'm going to get you one of those. I honestly...
Raised or something.
Really? I feel like, what the heck? We got hit before both of them.
Seriously, how far are you gonna... Oh.
So now we're going to run over to Ulta so Ash can spend the rest of her gift card.
Well, I might not.
Or might not. We're going to go have a look. I know, I was just teasing. But we're going to go have a look. And then wait for Miss Katie. So I found what I was looking for before Christmas, guys. A huge bag of gummy bears. Because when I'm working with Pete this weekend, they all come to me. That's why, see my big bag? It's full of, there's a little bag of gummy bears. But since we're going to be working all weekend, everyone comes to me for treats, don't they, Ash?
Yeah.
We go pick up our breakfast before we go, like last time. Are you coming with?
Saturday, yeah.
Great.
What time is it till?
7. But well, Dad said we'll be home for 7, but what we could do, take both cars and then you could leave. Now we're on the highway, and as you can see, the roads are absolutely terrible. Potholes galore, aren't there? There's a little kid screaming in the parking garage, wasn't there? Not because he was upset or anything, just I think he liked the sound of his own voice. It was echoing like mad. Drove me crazy. Wanted to yell, some of us have headaches. These guys are supposed to yield. Wasn't that a brilliant yield job? Awesome.
This one's like bringing the line up from this van.
When Dad and I were driving home last night from Stu Leonard's, there was a tractor-trailer truck, or a lorry, for my English friends, and he was all over the road. He was not in one lane, kept crossing the line, and then he went in the fast lane, which they're not supposed to go in. I smell like 15 different perfumes now because I sprayed so many in there. Okay. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Everybody just got back a little while ago, ate some lunch. It's 3:22, I think. Yep. And Katie should be here within the hour. So this was my big purchase of the day. A lilac scarf. Can't really... It's wide, but it was $15.97 at Nordstrom Rack. Ashley got me into scarves about a year ago, so... A little tassely thing on the end. A little one. And then so I got 2 pair of these aloe socks because they're just comfortable. Oh, go figure. A lilac pair and a white pair with flowers. And I know, don't get too excited. Neutrogena makeup remover cloths. Thought these were cool because they actually come in the container, so if we buy any more we can just throw them in there. Ash got some as well. Because I find the packets dry up a bit. That was it. Look at that. Oh wait, oh, I lied. Target has a little area, number 7, boots. So I just went and got some cream. Yes, I do sell Avon, but I haven't lately. I don't know if they've changed formulas or what, but this one was actually made in the UK. Should have checked that before. So it was nice and cheap. Got this at Target for $13.97, and then we go over to Ulta and saw it for $11.97. So if I like it, I'll just get it from Ulta, which is closer to home. So Ash got a couple of things. She got it's like a nail desk. You put it on your lap when you're doing your nails. I was going to get one at Christmas, and then when I went back to Ulta, they were all gone. Well, they actually had one in clearance today. It was from $19.99. It was on sale for $14.99, and then I had a $3.50 coupon for Ulta, which I just got in the mail. So perfect. So she got it for $10, $11. I'm gonna go have my drink, see what's going on YouTube, and then I think Pete was leaving work. He's at Consumers. He was leaving there around 2:45 because he's got to go over to the school at 3 to do the basketball team picture, and then he's back at Consumers tomorrow, from what I understand. And Ash is back at work, so tomorrow I'll just be home. I don't have Katie tomorrow, but then I do have her again on Friday, and Ash is off on Friday, I think. So she's still exhausted from her night shifts. It takes your body a while to get back, doesn't it? But alright guys, well that's it for now. I will talk to you in a little bit. I hope everyone's having a great Wednesday. It's a bit gloomy out still, but told you that because you've been out with us today. And I'll talk to you later. Bye guys. Katie left just before 6, and Pete is over at the high school taking pictures of the varsity basketball game. He did the team picture, and then he's now taking action shots and stuff, so he won't be home for a little bit. So I just made myself a nice bacon and egg sandwich. I went to I hate that. Sound like someone was coming up the stairs. Weird. You hear it too, don't you? Could be someone outside. I just put the recyclables outside, and there's a few families that come around and take the bottles out of the bins and go return them. Oh, well, I'm going to keep recording just in case. Maybe Louis can hear the dog in the distance. That's what he's listening to. I get myself too psyched out. Pete and Ash used to go to Maine in the summer, and I would stay here with the dogs. And they would be gone for 10 days, and I would literally be counting the days till they got back. I hate being alone. And there was one summer they were gone, and it was thundering and lightning the whole summer. Electricity kept going in and out, in and out. Roxy was only a couple of years old, and it was awful. I was such a wimp. I think we stayed up in the bedroom most of the day, and I would have the doors locked, the shades down. Baby, I'm such a baby. Anyway, yeah, so Ash is out, Pete's out, so I just made this bacon and egg sandwich, and it was absolutely delicious. I don't know if I said yesterday, but when I was at the Irish deli, I bought a loaf of, I say English bread, but it's actually Irish bread. I just looked at the name on the back of it, and it's the manufacturer's in Ireland, so they send it frozen, keep it frozen. Oh, sorry guys, there's an awful lot of noise out there. And it was delicious. The thing with the English bacon, you put 2 rashers on the American bread and it flops right over. It's too big. So my Uncle Brian used to always tell me, you have everything bigger in America, Asu. But I think the bread's bigger in England, so I needed the big bread for the 2 rashers of bacon. And it was delicious. Pete's going to have chili when he gets home. And that's it. Katie was okay. She missed us, we missed her, and I think she was just excited, but then she was a little down. But all was well at the end of the day. Her mum picked her up just before 6, and I took the doggies out, fed them, put the recyclables out, and now I'm watching Big Brother, even though I shot myself in the foot with it because I went on to Twitter when I had Katie here and I saw who was evicted already. Must stay off Twitter on eviction night if I don't want to know the outcome before I get a chance to watch it. But There you go. Live and learn, eh? Voice is cracking again. Or whether it's just, again, like I said this morning, just tired. But I feel a bit under the weather. And I know I'm tired because my eyes feel like they're red. And Ash and I did our errands. I had fun with her catching up because, you know, with her working so much and weird hours. She's asleep when I'm awake and she's awake when I'm asleep. There's noises outside are bugging me, so I'm going to have to go check those out. So I'm going to love and leave you guys for tonight. And I will see you tomorrow. Good night, guys.